Hi, my name is Dr. Samantha Robinson. I am the programme lead for the BSc Honours Sport and Exercise Science programme. This programme has a particular focus on high performance sport and looks to set you up for your career in sport science. We also have a dedicated physical activity and health pathway for your fourth year, which also allows you to tailor your career if you are more interested within a career in physical activity and health. Within our programme, you will have multiple opportunities to engage in placement opportunities and also to work towards professional recognition whilst you study here with us at UWS. Your career is really important to us, and we hope to set you up with a career where you can work with maximising athlete performance, as well as a host of other career opportunities. We pride ourselves on our sport and exercise science programme that our teaching is research-led and also led by various colleagues who have industry-applied experience and currently work within some of these roles. Speaking of our teaching, this is often delivered in our labs. We host the only BASIS accredited labs in Scotland, and you will participate in multiple types of teaching within these labs and facilities across our campus at Lanarkshire. When it comes to our students tend to go off onto multiple different ventures after studying with us in sport and exercise science. Some of our students plan to go into postgraduate study, such as PhD or MRes. Others go on to postgraduate taught programmes, such as our MSc here at UWS in sport and exercise, as well as physiotherapy MScs. In addition to this, our students also go into employment in roles such as primary school teaching, sport analysts, and strength and conditioning coaches.
Hi, I'm Shane McManus and I'm currently doing the sport and exercise science course.
Hi, my name's Ethan Berry. I'm a PhD student at the University of West of Scotland.
Hi, I'm Matthew and I'm part of the Sports and Exercise Science at UWS.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a fourth year Sport and Exercise Science student.
My name's Rory Wallace and I'm a fourth year Sport and Exercise Science student.
One thing that I really enjoy about the uni and the course that I'm doing is the variety that I have. We don't only learn about the practical side, we also look at the theoretical side and then things such as like gym instructing, and it means that we also get an aspect of like the mechanics that go into it, and it's not only practical based or theory based, that we got a good mix in between all of them.
Over my 4 years in the Sport and Exercise Science programme, I had practical experience with internship roles with university partners, which was good for building up my sort of practical on the field skills. That then led to a sort of keen interest in exercise physiology, particularly in relation to special populations, which led on to my MRes, working with dementia patients and exercise interventions, which then led into my PhD, which is working now with sort of muscle strengthening interventions for older adults.
I love the course. It's really flexible for what I do. You get to experience so many parts of physiology, psychology, anything else you'd think about sports science. Facilities is great. The free gym membership you get with being part of a UWS student, obviously being here in the lab, it's also really good to see the physiology part of it. And yeah, just in general, it's a really nice campus, and yeah, I would highly encourage it for everyone.
I came to UWS when I just left school, and I chose this course because I wanted to learn about the human body and anatomy, and that's really what I was interested in. And I feel like this course has definitely set me up for what I want to do in the future. I'm hoping to get into physiotherapy, and I feel like a lot of the knowledge that I've learned will definitely help me within that field.
One thing I really enjoyed about the course, especially in fourth year, was the field trip. We went down to Leicester for a few days, looked into Birmingham University, and we went to Leicester City Football Club and spoke to their kind of multidisciplinary team, sports scientists, strength and conditioning. Is that something I'd like to go and do after my studies here?
The emphasis here is very much centered around getting the students to learn a little bit more about biomechanics. So this is the biomechanics lab, where most of the work we tend to do focuses on clinical biomechanics and sports-related biomechanics. So we've got a well-equipped lab with 10 Vicon Vantage cameras, as well as 4 Kistler force plates and Delphis EMG system. So the three systems are fully integrated.
During your first year here with us at UWS, you receive additional SIMSPA qualifications. So that is safeguarding and protecting children, coaching assistant, gym instructor. And then when you go on to study in year 2, you will get working with inactive people and personal training. And then we're adding more SIMSPA qualifications to this list as we go, so as your degree is aligned to industry standards for deployment. And if you stay with us all the way until 4th year, then you receive an endorsed degree by BASIS, so the British Association of Sport and Exercise Sciences.
With all of this in mind, we hope to welcome you onto our programme in Sport and Exercise Science at UWS very soon.